In a world driven by data, we've placed machine learning on a pedestal, viewing it as a flawless engine of progress. But what if the foundations of our trust are built on myths? Let's unravel the common misconceptions that refuse to die. First, the myth of the infallible algorithm. We believe machines are purely objective, free from human bias. Yet, every algorithm is a mirror, reflecting the data it's fed. If our data is biased, the machine learning model will not only learn but amplify those biases, perpetuating societal inequalities under a veneer of technological neutrality. Then there's the obsession with big data, the belief that more is always better. We collect staggering amounts of information, assuming it will automatically lead to deeper insights. But quality trumps quantity. A mountain of irrelevant or dirty data is useless. The real magic lies in clean, well-curated data that tells a meaningful story. It's not about having the most data, it's about having the right data. Many view machine learning as an impenetrable black box. We see its incredible outputs, but its inner workings feel like a mystery, a secret language spoken only by the machines. While complex, the field of explainable AI is making strides, peeling back the layers to help us understand the why behind the decisions of algorithms, making them more transparent and accountable. Finally, the persistent fear that AI will render humanity obsolete, taking all our jobs. History has shown that technology is a double-edged sword. It displaces, but it also creates. Machine learning is not just a replacement for human intelligence, but an augmentation of it. It's a powerful tool that can handle complex calculations, freeing us to focus on what we do best: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future isn't about man versus machine. It's about man with machine. By dispelling these myths, we can move beyond the hype and fear and start a more honest conversation about how to wield this transformative technology wisely. Like, share, and subscribe to The Algorithmic Age to keep your tech knowledge ahead of the game.